Welcome to a beautiful journey of freedom and adventure. Today we are exploring a luxury motorhome, a home that moves with you wherever you go. When I first saw this motorhome, I couldn't believe it. It feels just like a small luxury house. From the outside, the motorhome looks strong and modern, with large windows and a stylish design ready for long road trips. Or enter deco. Itna pyara sofa, soft lights, or titna comfortable environment high. Travel be our comfort be. Inside, you'll find a beautiful living area, a smart kitchen, and a cozy bedroom designed for relaxation. Muj sab se jada ya bedroom passand aya. Imagine Karo, Suba Youth Car Mountains, or Nature Ka View. This motorhome is perfect for people who love adventure, but don't want to leave comfort behind. Bilko is motorhome ka sath daniya gum sakto, or gar haisa fil bi milta hai. So if you dream about freedom, travel, and luxury together, a motorhome